you rather spend 2 minutes or 10 seconds brushing your teeth to get the same results? Well, here's a new product from Benjamin, the founder of Y-Brush, which has done just that. So thanks for speaking with us, Benjamin. Can you tell us more about Y-Brush?
Yeah, Y-Brush is a 10-second toothbrush. So we have a handle which is able to provide sonic vibrations, to a brush which is flexible, so it fits with your jaw, and it's lined with very fine nylon bristles. So in fact, it does exactly the same action as your standard toothbrush, but instead of brushing your teeth one by one, it brushes all the teeth at once. So that's why it works in 10 seconds.
So we were talking earlier about the fact that you're meant to brush your teeth for 2 minutes, but not a lot of people actually do that. So tell me why you think there's a great market need for this product.
Yes, usually people brush their teeth for 45 seconds or perhaps 1 minute. The thing which is very important for us is to transform the brushing, the conventional brushing, in something which is fun, but to improve the health too. Because with our product, you brush your teeth in 2 minutes, you have the same efficacy as in 2 minutes, but in 10 seconds. So in fact, you improve your health.
And have you worked with dentists to develop this product?
Yes, we have worked for 4 years on the R&D, and we work a lot with some dentists in France and outside France in Europe.
Can you talk me through the technology that's used within this product, any of the components and the connectivity and how it works?
So we have sonic vibrations in the handle. We don't have any connectivity. I think we are the only company in the CES without any Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection. So this is very simple for the users. Yeah. The thing which is important for us is that the brushing is very simple for the user, for kids, for adults, for elderly, for persons with disabilities.
And so with this, you get the base of the product, which can be shared within different toothbrush heads. That's right. So one family can use the same base, and then everyone has a different toothbrush head.
You can have different brushes. For the family, you can have, for example, 1 handle and 4 brushes. So you can switch without any problem. Yeah.
And how long does this last compared to a traditional toothbrush head?
A conventional toothbrush lasts for 2 or 3 months, and this lasts for 6 months.
So it's actually better for the environment because you're not throwing as many toothbrushes away constantly. You're using this much longer than you would a traditional toothbrush.
Yeah, of course. So you throw less plastic in the yeah.
So what are your aims here at CES?
We are at CES to spread this product to the world because there are lots of people in the US, but outside the US is very interesting. Like every startup, we are looking for funders, for investors to improve our product and to spread the product better.
And what kind of research have you done with consumers? What has the feedback been like from potential consumers to move away from a traditional toothbrush to this?
So first we did some scientific research with in vitro tests, with in vivo tests, and in addition to that with consumers, we got a lot of consumer feedbacks from them, which use the product for 1 week, 1 month, 6 months, and we got very good consumer feedbacks like, wow, it works.
And so, for example, you were saying that this only takes 10 seconds rather than 2 minutes. What are the results from your studies that you found that the results are exactly the same as traditional toothbrush?
On the first studies we did, we found that we have better efficacy than a standard brushing. On the next studies, we'll show how we are compared to a perfect brushing.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for speaking with me.